Hi, I'm Megan Malucci.
And I'm Helen Boylan. And together we're part of the Pittcon committee and we're co-chairs for the science outreach team. You may be wondering, what is Pittcon anyway? Pittcon is an annual conference and exposition, and really it's all things science. We have scientists that are presenting their latest research, and we have an expo floor that exhibits the latest instruments and laboratory equipment. We have people from all around the world who travel to Pittcon to network and stay up to date on cutting-edge science.
Pittcon is also dedicated to science outreach with a mission of science education for students of all levels of education. We are excited to be hosting Pittcon in San Antonio 2026. We are bringing an exciting real-world learning lab opportunity to each CAS school today that may result in grant funding and even a visit to the Pittcon floor March 2026.
So Pittcon Learning Labs include 4 different project opportunities for students. The first project opportunity is the application project. In this project, students would research how the science of Pittcon plays out in everyday life, whether it be in their cities, in their schools, or in their personal lives. The second project is a lesson project. In this scenario, students would develop a lesson, an activity, or an experiment that's inspired by the science of Pittcon. In both cases, we would provide students with background information about the science happening at Pittcon so they could understand that real-world connection.
Another exciting project that we have would be the mascot project. Your team will get to develop a mascot for Pittcon Pittsburgh 2027. This year in San Antonio, the project will be a armadillo-based mascot, and it is related to the scientific region. And so when you create your project for your mascot for Pittsburgh, we'll need you to do research about Pittsburgh, and we want a scientific connection for the mascot. The critique project gives you a voice and a choice on how to make some changes for Pittcon so it's ready for the next generation. We will provide for you various aspects of Pittcon, from the expo floor to hospitality to tourism. How could you make it better? That will be your opportunity. Go viral. Since all projects will be videoed, you will have the opportunity to have that video shared potentially with Pittcon's audience, which includes thousands of scientists and educators from around the world. You might say, this seems exciting, but a little bit overwhelming. We understand that. So as a result, we are going to be providing mentors for you. We are dedicated to supporting your efforts to be part of Pittcon's real-world learning lab, to ensure that you have the support that you need while you are working on your learning lab project. We are going to match your teams up with virtual mentors from Pittcon who will provide consulting, advice, critiques, and suggestions to make your project stand out as an exemplary, one-of-a-kind winner. Virtual mentors will also help to keep you on track for timing, and they will use the rubric to ensure that all criteria are being met.
So you may wonder, why would you participate in this Pittcon Learning Lab? Well, here's an opportunity for you to put into practice the real-world application of what you're learning. It is also an opportunity for you to make a difference for the Pittcon conference. As a bonus, you can get recognized for your contribution, so all student participants will be recognized, and you have the opportunity to win awards. Top student collaborators will receive a free trip to Pittcon, and there will be grants to their teachers and schools. For more information, visit our website, pittcon.org/Science Week. Or if you have specific questions, feel free to email us, boylan@pittcon.org or malucci@pittcon.org. We hope that you choose to
Connect, cultivate, and collaborate with Pittcon 2026.
Mic drop. All right, that's a wrap.
Good job.
Awesome. That
Nice.
is a really